This short video by Dr. Lorri of Florida State University's College of Communication and Information gives a quick introduction to podcasting and vodcasting for information professionals, how to work with digital audio and video, and it was made for the VRE 2010 Digital Reference Environments class. A great resource for doing all the video and audio work mentioned here can be found on the IPL Learning Community site. It's at ipl.ci.fsu.edu/community and click on IPL 15 Things, where you'll find links for videos, podcasting, and RSS. First step in making your audio podcast or video vodcast is to capture your images and sounds. You'll find there may be free image and video capturing tools on your computer already, or you can download free software such as Cam Studio for capturing video and IR Fan View for capturing images and screenshots. You can also capture audio using a free open source software called Audacity, which will do both audio capturing and audio editing. However, if you plan to make audio and video podcasts on a regular basis, you might think about buying digital video and digital audio capturing gadgets. These are two examples that I use, and you'll notice these are small devices that can actually slip right into a pocket so that you can capture digital audio or video while you're on the move. You'll notice both of these gadgets can be plugged right into a USB port on your computer so that you can easily work with the audio and video files. And these are comparatively cheap for working on your computer. You'll find costs running for somewhere between $80 to $150 for your digital audio recorder, and from $120 to $250 for a flip video camera. Once you've recorded some audio, you'll probably want to edit the audio files, and again, you can use the Audacity program not just to record audio, but also to edit any audio you may have captured with Audacity or with an audio recording device. Apple computers often come with Apple GarageBand, available free for editing audio files. You can also generally find a free movie editor already existing on your computer. Windows computers usually come with a free Windows Movie Maker program, and Macintosh computers have a free version of iMovie. Movies can incorporate a mixture of still images and photos, videos, and audio. PowerPoint can also be another way of creating an image that you might use in a movie. I've actually used PowerPoint heavily in creating this particular video. The next step for sharing your podcast or vodcast is making it available online. You might load an audio or video file to your own web space in a directory called Podcast. You can load a video file to YouTube if it's less than 10 minutes long. Making your podcast findable is all about making it visible to RSS feed readers, which requires making a special file in your podcast directory called rss.xml, which contains fields that properly describe your file. This is a snapshot of what an rss.xml file looks like, and it includes iTunes instructions, so that this particular podcast can be found by searching iTunes for the author, Lorri, or by the title, The Conversation. You can download and take a look at this RSS file from the IPL 15 Things page on podcasting. It's linked under IPL Examples. Click Save File As to save it to your computer, and then View Source in your browser to see the way the fields look for iTunes. You'll also find lots of other suggestions on the IPL 15 Things video, podcasting, and RSS pages for learning more about digital video and audio. Happy podcasting and vodcasting, and thanks for listening.